Hello, welcome back. Once again, this is teacher Jesse, and today I will be discussing with you another topic in math. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with upcoming videos that I'll be posting, especially all about math tutorials. Okay, so this time I'll be discussing with you about the area of quadrilaterals. Specifically, we have the parallelograms. Parallelograms include the square and the rectangles, also the rhombus, and trapezoids. Okay, so let's start. For that, we'll have a drill. Fill in each blank with the correct factor of the given number. So I'll give you a few seconds before I reveal the answer, or you can pause the video if you need more time. Try to make it fast. Start. Okay, so the correct answer is 6. Number 2. Okay, the correct answer is 4. Number 3. Okay, so it is 3. Number 4. Okay, so it's 7. And number 5. Okay, so it is 35. Number 6. Okay, so it is 12. Did you get the correct answers? Okay. Next, let's have a review. Our last topic was all about finding the area of the irregular figure. Sorry. So this is the irregular figure that we'll be solving for. So this is 12, this is 8, and this is 4. If you watch my previous video, you can check with that video. I explained already how to find the area of the irregular figures. We have examples there. So this is one of the examples presented in that video. So to solve for this, we have two solutions. The first solution is to divide this into sections. We have this 3 sections. So this is an 8 by 4, an 8 by 4, and a 4 by 4 square. So this is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. This is 32, and this is 16. So if we add, we have 64 plus 16, we have 80 squared centimeters. So the area of this is 80. Using the second solution, which is by completing this, by connecting these 2 points to form a regular figure, which is a rectangle, which looks like this. This is a 12 by 8 rectangle, so 12 times 8 is 96. So we have to subtract the missing area or missing parts. This one colored white is 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 is 16. 96 minus 16 is equal to 80. Therefore, the area is 80. So the two solutions, we have come up with the same answer, the same result, which is 80 squared centimeters. Okay, so that's our last topic. This time, we'll start our lesson with the area of a quadrilateral with a problem analysis. The problem goes like this. A vegetable garden has the shape of a parallelogram. When you say parallelogram, the two sides, opposite sides, are parallel to each other. It has a base of 6 meters and a height of 3 meters. What is the area of the garden? So how are we going to solve? Let's have first this grid so that we can analyze the problem. Okay, so visually we have the base of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and a height of 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So this forms a parallelogram. By the way, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, and parallelogram includes square and rectangles. Rectangles and squares and rhombus are parallelograms because all of them have 2 pairs of parallel lines or parallel sides. So by looking at this, so this is 6 meters and this is 3 meters. Then if you are going to observe this figure, okay, this triangle can be transferred to this part. Okay, so we will transfer here, and if we transfer it here, we can form already another figure which is like this, the shaded with yellow, or the yellow rectangle. So if you are going to count, what is the area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Or 6 by 3 is 6 times 3. So area is equal to base times height, 6 times 3. 6 times 3 meters is equal to 18 square meters. So with that illustration, we were able to derive that the formula of any parallelogram is base times height. So when we say it is a rectangle, it is base times height or length times width. If it is a square, it is just side times side or base times height. Okay? So without using, let's try this one. Okay, so I will give you a few seconds to answer before I reveal the correct answer. So the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! Okay, so I'll reveal the answer now. I hope that you got the correct answer. So it is base times height is equal to 7 meters times 5 meters. It is 35 square meters. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, good. This time, let's have another exercise. Mr. Arneta bought a lot. It has a shape of a trapezoid as shown in the illustration. What is the area of the lot? So when you say a trapezoid, we have only one pair of opposite sides which are parallel. Okay, the rest or the other two sides will meet at a certain point. Okay, if you extend this and extend this, it will or they will meet. So this is an example of a trapezoid. So basically we have a longer base and we have a shorter base. So these are the two bases, and we have the height. The height is a side or a line drawn from this side, or this the base, going to another base in forming a perpendicular line. So we have 90 degrees. There are trapezoids which look like this, and this side forms 90 degrees. Okay, in this case it is not. So how are you going to solve for this? The area of this, is it just 9 times 5, which is equal to 45? The same with the parallelogram. Okay, so let's understand or analyze the concept. Let's derive the formula by showing it or using the grid. Okay, so this is the height, 5 meters. This is 5 meters is 9. So this is, if you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the same concept with the parallelogram. If you are going to look at this triangle and transfer it here, okay, so we can form again another rectangle or a parallelogram, which will send our, if you are going to, okay, so if you are going to transfer this one going to here, it becomes, or it will form a parallelogram or a rectangle. So if you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is already 7 by 5, because we do not include counting this because it's transferred already. So it becomes 7 times 5, which is 35. So the area of this is 7 times 5, which is 35 square meters by counting. How about without using a grid? Okay, so let's, without using the grid, the area of a trapezoid can be solved using the given formula. We have this trapezoid, the same trapezoid, and we know that it is 35. So it is, again, it is not 9 times 5. So it is 7 times 5, which is 35. By transferring it here, because there are 2 units omitted. This is 9, this is 5. Next, area is equal to, this is the formula now in finding the trapezoid. We have the area of the trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2, or the sum of 2 bases. We can take this as base 1 or base 2. Anyway, if you interchange the order of the addends, according to commutative property of addition, the sum is not affected. So divided by 2 times height. So 9 plus 5, this is a base 1 plus 5, which is the base 2, all over 2 times 5, which is the height. Okay, so 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 2 times 5. And 14 times 2 is 7. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So the unit is square meters. So the area of this trapezoid is 35 square meter. We are going to compare. By the way, did you get the correct answer? Okay, so we are going to compare the two answers this time. Okay, using the first solution, we have 9 times 5, 7 times 5, which is 35, and using the formula base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height is 35. The same results came out. Therefore, to solve for the area of a trapezoid, we can simply use this formula so that we'll not be confused with the grids anymore. And we'll, by writing grids or drawing grids in the illustration will take us a lot of time. Okay. Okay, so this time it's your turn. Try to find the area of the given trapezoid. I will reveal the answer after a few seconds, or you can pause the video if you need more time. This is our trapezoid. So the base 1 is 12 meters, the base 2 is 6 meters, and the height is 9 meters. Go! Okay, so I will reveal the answer now using the formula. We have the base 1 is 12 plus 6 divided by 2 times the height is 9. 12 plus 6 is 18 divided by 2 times 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 9 times 9 is equal to 81 square meters. Therefore, the area of this is 81 square meters. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, very good. So that's all for today. Thank you for sharing this video with others. If you like this video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates of my upcoming math tutorial videos. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.